Kickstarting your 30-day IT help desk exam prep.
Setting a clear goal is your first step. Identify which IT support certification you're targeting, like CompTIA A+, Google IT support, or Microsoft certifications. Familiarize yourself with the exam structure, topics, and requirements. Having a roadmap will keep you focused and motivated throughout your 30-day journey.
Building your 30-day study plan.
Break down the exam topics into weekly goals. Start with fundamental concepts such as operating systems, networking basics, hardware, and troubleshooting. Dedicate each week to specific exam domains. Allocate daily study time, even if just an hour. Consistency is key to gradual progress and long-term retention.
Effective study strategies for IT exams.
Okay, combine multiple learning methods for best results. Read official study guides, watch video tutorials, and take thorough notes. Use flashcards for key terms and review them regularly. Seek out practice questions and quizzes to reinforce what you're learning and measure your understanding.
Hands-on practice and simulations.
Real-world practice builds confidence and skills. Set up a home lab with old hardware or virtual machines to practice installing operating systems and troubleshooting issues. Many certifications include performance-based questions, so hands-on problem-solving is essential to pass the exam.
Weekly reviews and practice exams.
At the end of each week, review what you've learned. Take full-length practice exams to identify weaknesses and track your improvement. Analyze missed questions to understand any gaps. This regular assessment helps focus your efforts and adjust your plan as the exam approaches.
Final preparation and exam day tips.
Use your last few days for revision and relaxation. Review high-yield topics and formulas. Organize your test day logistics. Know what to bring, exam rules, and the location if it's in person. Get plenty of rest before your exam day to ensure peak performance. Stay confident. You've prepared well for success.